Hello, this is Clay from thejapanshop.com. Aki no kizashi ga kanjirarimasu. I feel like it's fall. It's cooled down a little bit, not as much as I'd like, but it's cooled down a little bit, and you can buy pumpkin lattes now. So it's pretty exciting. And so today we will look at a haiku from for the fall, for the autumn. And it's by Kobayashi Issa, who is one of the greatest haiku masters, one of the top four. And his poem, which is, well, let's listen to Yumi play it once here.
青空に指で字を書く秋の暮れ。青空に指で字を書く秋の暮れ。
Aozora ni, aozora means a clear blue sky. And then his yubide, his finger, with his finger, jio, a character or letter, kaku, write, and then aki no kure. And now for my very layman interpretation. As for the meaning of this haiku, here are my thoughts. Your interpretation may be very different, but let's take this poem apart in 3 sections. Each section shows a different emotion or state of mind. So section 1 shows a sublime beauty. Aozora ni, the beautiful skies. The fall in Japan is known for its clear blue skies. Terrible typhoons have come and gone, taking with them the dirt and the junk from the air. And when you step outside, you can just feel the crisp, clean air. And looking up, you see the expansive, totally blue sky. Not a cloud to take away from the smooth, gradient blue in the sky. Section 2 is his playfulness. Yubide ji o kaku. What does the poet do with the experience? The air is crisp and clean. It's beautiful. The sky is a sublime beauty. Well, he lets his inner child come out to play. Sticking his finger into the sky, he draws characters only to be seen in his mind. Passerbys might wonder what this strange old man is doing, but his inner child continues to write. And then section 3, a sense of impending doom or end of something. Aki no kure. The phrase aki no kure seems sad. It may indicate the end of something, whether a fall evening or the end of fall itself. It seems to indicate a reflection on some sad feeling of mono no a hare, or the appreciation of the fleeting nature of beauty, the pathos of things.
青空に指で字を書く秋の暮れ。青空に指で字を書く秋の暮れ。
But if you have any information, if you have something you want to share about this, please leave in the comments below. And I'd love to be educated and learn more about what's going on here at this poem. But anyway, it's the end of the day or the end of the season. Something a little sad maybe, but he's being creative. He's writing in the clear blue sky. So I hope you have a great Sunday, and I will see you again soon.
チャンネル登録してね。